Georgia O'Keeffe's floral passion, a visual exploration. Georgia O'Keeffe, an iconic figure in American art, is renowned for her captivating floral paintings. Her works, often magnified and abstracted, invite viewers to see flowers in a new light, emphasizing their beauty and complexity. O'Keeffe's early life in Wisconsin and studies at the Art Institute of Chicago and the Art Students League in New York profoundly shaped her artistic vision. Influences from her teachers and contemporaries helped her develop a unique approach to floral subjects. Her artistic style is characterized by bold colors, simplified forms, and intricate details. O'Keeffe's flowers are both realistic and abstract, capturing the essence of their natural form while inviting deeper contemplation of their shapes and textures. Nature played a central role in O'Keeffe's art. She spent countless hours observing and sketching flowers, which allowed her to capture their intrinsic beauty. Her deep connection to the natural world is evident in every brushstroke. O'Keeffe's floral paintings often carry rich symbolism and meaning. Beyond their visual appeal, they reflect themes of femininity, sensuality, and the cycles of life. Her work challenges viewers to consider the deeper significance of these seemingly simple subjects. Georgia O'Keeffe's immersion in the landscapes of New Mexico profoundly influenced her flower paintings. The vast, arid deserts and vibrant, rugged terrains provided her with a unique perspective and a rich palette of colors, transforming her floral subjects into vivid, almost surreal representations. The vast, arid deserts and vibrant, rugged terrains provided her with a unique perspective and a rich palette of colors, transforming her floral subjects into vivid, almost surreal representations. Nature was a cornerstone of O'Keeffe's art, serving as both muse and subject. Her deep connection to the natural world allowed her to capture the essence of flowers with unparalleled intimacy. This bond is evident in the lifelike yet abstract quality of her floral works. O'Keeffe's floral paintings often carry layers of symbolism and deeper meaning. She saw flowers not just as mere botanical subjects, but as powerful symbols of life, growth, and femininity. Her works invite viewers to explore these themes through her unique visual language. The scale of O'Keeffe's floral compositions was groundbreaking. By magnifying the minutiae of flowers, she challenged traditional perceptions and invited viewers to experience the intricate beauty of nature on a monumental scale. This approach redefined how flowers were perceived in the art world. O'Keeffe's personal life deeply intertwined with her floral subjects. Her flowers can be seen as reflections of her inner world, her emotions and her experiences. This intimate connection adds a layer of depth and authenticity to her works, making them resonate on a personal level. Red Canna stands as a testament to O'Keeffe's mastery of color and form. Its vibrant hues and intricate details draw the viewer into the heart of the flower, symbolizing vitality and passion. This piece significantly influenced modern interpretations of floral art. Jimson Weed White Flower. Number 1 inch captures the essence of simplicity and elegance. This painting, with its soft, white petals and delicate textures, reflects O'Keeffe's deep connection to nature. Its serene beauty has made it one of her most celebrated works. O'Keeffe's technique in her flower paintings is marked by meticulous brushstrokes and rich textures. She skillfully blends colors to create depth and dimension, allowing viewers to experience the flower's beauty intimately. Her approach revolutionized the way flowers are depicted in art. Critics and the public initially had mixed reactions to O'Keeffe's flower paintings. Some admired her innovative style and bold subjects, while others viewed them as too abstract. Over time, however, her work gained widespread acclaim and solidified her status as a pioneering artist. Throughout her career, O'Keeffe's floral themes evolved, reflecting changes in her personal life and artistic vision. Early works focused on vibrant colors and detailed forms, while later pieces embraced simplicity and abstraction. This evolution showcases her ability to adapt and innovate continually. Georgia O'Keeffe's impact on contemporary floral artists is profound, inspiring many to explore the beauty of flowers with fresh perspectives. Her bold use of color and form continues to influence artists who seek to capture the essence of nature's elegance. O'Keeffe's approach to flowers, characterized by magnified details and abstraction, set her apart from her contemporaries. This unique style reshaped the perception of floral art, encouraging a deeper appreciation for the intricate beauty found in everyday botanical subjects. Photography played a crucial role in O'Keeffe's study of flowers. allowing her to examine and capture minute details that would later define her paintings. This meticulous observation and translation into art have inspired countless artists to adopt similar techniques in their work. Exhibitions and retrospectives dedicated to O'Keeffe's floral art have cemented her legacy and introduced her work to new generations. These showcases not only celebrate her contributions, but also highlight the timeless appeal and relevance of her floral masterpieces. O'Keeffe's influence extends into modern art education, where her innovative techniques and perspectives on floral subjects are studied and emulated. Her work encourages students to push boundaries and explore new ways of interpreting the natural world through art. O'Keeffe's floral works continue to shape contemporary art education by exemplifying the power of simplicity and focus. Her innovative use of color, form, and scale teaches students to see beyond the surface, encouraging deeper exploration of their subjects and personal expression. The enduring beauty and significance of O'Keeffe's floral journey lie in her ability to transform ordinary flowers into extraordinary visual experiences. Her legacy inspires artists and art lovers alike, proving that nature's elegance, when seen through a unique perspective, can evoke profound emotions and timeless appreciation. In conclusion, Georgia O'Keeffe's Floral Passion, a visual exploration, highlights the beauty and complexity of O'Keeffe's iconic floral artwork, showcasing her unique perspective and artistic vision. By immersing ourselves in her vibrant and captivating floral compositions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the artist's talent and creativity. Subscribe to our channel to discover more insights into the world of art and artists like Georgia O'Keeffe, and explore the endless possibilities of visual expression through our curated content. Join us on this journey of exploration and inspiration, and let the beauty of art enrich your life. Subscribe now to stay connected and never miss an update.